Oh, hello everyone. My video today is about preparing one of our favorite dish, which is baked pampano. Okay, but before I start this cooking preparation, I already prepared in advance all the ingredients that we're gonna use. We're gonna have uh, onions, garlic, then we have olive oil, salt and pepper, and of course the main dish is the pampano fish. And I prepared that in advance. So let's go here, guys, and take a look at all of our ingredients, and let's get started. Oh, hey guys. Okay, here's all ingredient to prepare our baked pampano, and we're gonna have garlic, and then we have some olive oil, and then gonna have some onions, and for our garnishment we have some pepper. It could be hot, it could be, I put some Anaheim pepper. It's not really that hot, so I don't want too hot stuff. And then we have some tomatoes, and mainly our main dish, which is the pampano. Okay, we're gonna start preparing this. Usually, when I buy pampano, I always look at I want to make sure their eyes. When I go to the market, I look at their eyes. Make sure their eyes are not red. Make sure it's clear white. That means you're getting a fresh pampano. Okay, so now let's get started on preparing this. Okay, we'll put some onions inside. Put some of the onions here, and some onions over here. Okay, and more onions in here. And then we're gonna put some garlic. Put a lot of garlic, doesn't matter. You can put as much garlic as you want, because garlic is always good. Make it taste good. And so, see, as you can see, I have onions and garlic inside here. Okay, then we're gonna stuff a little bit of this pepper here. Put some pepper in here. Yeah, put some pepper inside. This is not hot. This is like one of those Anaheim pepper. It's not hot at all. Yeah, it's like one of those Anaheim pepper. It's not hot at all. It's just mild. See the way it looks? It should look like that. See? And now we can put a little bit of salt in here. Put some salt in there. Okay. Yeah, just put a little bit of salt. You can always add salt later on. See, you can put salt on or before cooking. It don't really matter. Then I always put a little bit of water in there. So when you put it inside the oven, it will turn out dry. So you put a little bit of water in there, and then you put some olive oil in here. Put it on top like that, a little bit in here. Put the olive oil, a little bit in there. Put olive oil, a little bit in there. Yeah. See, this thing is gonna turn good. See, you always want to put a little bit of water in there, because the reason for that is that when you put it, see, the reason for that putting water in there is that, see, the reason you want to put water in there is when you put it in the oven, that water, see, I'm going to cover it up with foil. That water will turn into steam, and that will cook this thing real good. This thing is going to turn out good. Okay? That's what you want to do. That's what that's what that water is for. So that water, when this thing get heated up, it's going to turn into steam. Now we got to put cover in there. Put that cover in there. Each and every one. Covering up. Cover it up like that. This one like that. See, you want to put it, cover, make it a little bit, make it airtight so the steam can cook it real good. Shake that up like that. Now when it's ready, all covered up like that, you wanna get an extra one. See the extra one? You put this in here, on top of here. See, that thing will seal it off. This thing will seal this thing right in there. See how the thing is getting sealed up? That's what you want. You want to keep that steam in there. That steam is gonna make it cook all the way through. See, you want your fish cook all the way through. See? So you want to kind of tighten up here and all the way around here. You want to tie it up so when it gets warmed up and the steam comes coming up, the steam cannot escape, so it will cook right. Okay? So now all this thing, it look like it's ready to go. Okay, so now I'm ready to put this thing in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Then the oven is right here on my left side, and I will let it stay there for like 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I'm going to take it out, and this thing should look good and taste delicious. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just got this thing out of the oven, and right now it's this pan, this baking pan should be super hot. So once you got it out, see, I got it out, I leave it in the oven for about 40 minutes at about 400 degrees. So this thing is going to be hot. So you be careful on taking out the spoil. Because once you take out the spoil, the steam should be coming out here. And this thing is should be looking good. Should be looking okay. There you go, guys. See, it's steaming hot. That's how you want it. That is good. See, I'm going to open everything. That's one. That's number two. And this is three. See, that's perfect right there. That's how you want. That's how you want your pampano, baked pampano look like. Okay, that is really good. I'm happy with this result. So now, okay, let's put some garnishing in there just to make it look pretty and look good. Because when product looks good, it should taste good. Okay, so let's start putting some garnishing on it. I'll put a little bit of onion here just to make it look pretty. That's all. Nothing fancy. Okay, there you go. And put this thing over here, right here. There you go. Make it look pretty like that. There you go. I'm gonna use all my onions here. I don't want to leave anything out. And I got some pepper in here. I got two kinds of pepper in here. I got the Anaheim pepper. It's not hot at all. And I got one of these jalapeno. That one is hot. But I don't want to put too much of this jalapeno because it gets really hot. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. Just for looks, okay? Now you want to put some this garnishing here. Some tomatoes. I usually use round tomato, but I didn't have it. I don't have it at home, so I'm just gonna use this one. This one should be okay. Just a decoration, you know. And you can eat this too. There's nothing wrong with it. See? See? See right there? That's how you want your pampano, baked pampano look like. Okay? It's like look nice and pretty. And it should be looking good like that. Because when it looks good, what does it mean? It should taste good. So now, the only thing left is what? We're gonna have to do the final test here, okay? Let's test it out. Testing. Okay, let's get some of these here. Put a little bit of water here. Put a little bit of sauce here. A little sauce over there. You see? See, guys? That's how you want. That's how you want your baked pumpkin to look like. It looks good, right? Should taste good. So now let's do the final test. Let's try it. Okay, here it is, guys. Mmm. 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 Right. That is. Wow. Wow. Really, really good. Wow. I love it. Kain na tayo. That's it. Okay? That is outstanding. Very good. Bye-bye.